So good afternoon to all. Our students are going to explain about game plan analysis and invalid tweet. So first the content will be given to girls side. So I request girl students to explain.
Good afternoon all. Myself Nandana, Lakshya and Savalika. We are going to explain about Leet-code number 1683 invalid tweets. First, select tweet ID from tweets. Here tweet table is already given. So we are going to select tweet ID alone. Remaining will be continued by them.
That as character the content must be greater than 50. Here then
We are already given that the character length content must be greater than 50. So the tweet ID number 1 will be greater than 15. So the output will be string number 1 invalid tweets.
So hello everyone, I'm Mohammed Asil. So I'm from Computer Science, IoT and Cyber Security, including blockchain technology. So here are my friends Mohan and Rajit. We are going to explain about Leet-code problem 511 gameplay analysis. So here we have to analyze from the activity table. So when will the player first log in the game? So the given table will be there and the query will be explained by Mohan.
So from the given query, we need to select player ID and event date, the minimum event date from the activity table. So for us, we have 3 player IDs 1, 2, 3 and the event dates like 2016, 2016 and 2018. So from this, we need to pick the minimum date. So because they are asking the first login date of the player who played the game from the activity table. So they are going to group it by the player ID.
Input is there is 4 players. We need to take the minimum date. We should see the date of the problem, the date of the player's ID. Here, the 2016 is the minimum, and so we need to put the first player as 2016, 3 and 1. Next, player 2, next, and then player 3. The output will be. This is the output of the result of the gameplay analysis. Thank you.
Hello all, I am Mona Prasad from second year CSA department from SNS College of Engineering. Today I am here to take Leet-code problem for 511 game plan analysis one. We are going to use MySQL. So the concept is they have given an analysis table from the players who have played a game. So we need to find the first login date of the player when we log in the game on the first day. So we are going to use MySQL. So the query is we need to select player ID and minimum event date from the activity table. So we are going to collect the data from using group by player ID. We are going to categorize each player with a player ID. So in the input table given, so we need to first compare the IDs with the X. So we have a player ID as login twice in by 2 years, like in 2016 and 17. So the minimum year is 2016. So the first output will be 2016, 3 and 1. So it will be like 1, 2016, 3 and 1. So the second, we have only one record. So the minimum date will be 2016, 3 and 2. So the output will be 2002, 2016, 3 and 2. The third record also has only one input. So we will be getting 2018, 4th month and 1st of the April. So third ID, 2018, April 4th and 1st day.
I'm Agnieszka from second year CSA. So I'm going to take the Leet-code number 1683. Before I introduce this code, let me tell you about why we are using Leet-code and how it's useful to us. So Leet-code is helpful because we can improve our coding knowledge and it helps us to understand the real-time examples. For example, this helps us for getting an invalid tweet. So let me go into this. Let me teach about this code. Find invalid tweets. Before I explain this code, I will tell about the input so you can understand it better. So we have given tweet ID and tweets. So bit ID number 1 has given to find the invalid bit, and number 2 have given invalid bit. So the rule is we have to keep our content below 50. The character should be below 50. They have said strictly keep it below 50. So from 1 we have the bit to find the invalid bit. You have to count this characters, it will give like 22, I think so. And the second bit has given invalid bit. So the 1 will be the invalid one, and 2 will be made as an exception because it's below 50. So this is above 50, so this is the invalid code. And how we are going to export it into the code? Select with ID. We are selecting this. I am explaining this in SQL with ID. So I am going to select the with ID with the input, and there we are going to get the with IDs from the database from this table. So so I have told you right that the content should be below 15. So I am going to write this in this line. So where character length and the content. So the content should be below 15. So from the input we are going to see bit number 1 has 22 letters and output will be number 1, bit number 1. So this is the encoded number.